Now to important information about some common medications that are causing concern for some people.
Consumer reporter Joanne Merrigan is here tonight with a health alert about a recall of some blood pressure medications and what your doctor may tell you.
Well, one doctor I spoke with said don't just stop cold turkey. Find out for sure if these pills are really affected by this recall. You know, we've heard so much in the past about possible contamination of food products in recent years. And what's the first thing they told you recently with the lettuce recall? Throw it out, right? But don't just throw out your blood pressure medication and don't stop taking it because there could be health complications from that.
They have called and said, I'm on this medication and how should I, how should I proceed?
Dr. Ryan Cowart is a family physician dealing with concerns from patients who've heard about recalls for several types of blood pressure medication. Some pills may be contaminated with a carcinogen.
Well, they're still trying to determine exactly the source of this particular contamination. They are studying that and they think that it has to do with the manufacturing process.
There are 3 medications in the recall.
With losartan, it was the medication that is combined, is called Hyzar, so it's a losartan hydrochlorothiazide combination. And then irbesartan, the brand name of that is Avapro.
She says there are specific lot numbers, so the chances of your meds being contaminated may not be that high.
You don't just want to stop, just because you might be taking one of those medications. It may not even be one of the ones that was involved in the recall.
Dr. Cowart says to be safe, contact your pharmacy to find out if the pills you have may be part of the affected lot numbers.
If it was, then they can ask the pharmacy and the pharmacy will offer them an alternative if they have one. They may have the same medication in a different lot number that is, perfectly safe to continue, and so they would just offer them that alternative.
While the idea of contaminated medicine can be scary, she says you could face a greater risk from stopping.
Uncontrolled blood pressure can cause heart attacks, strokes, kidney problems, congestive heart failure. Don't just stop. That would be my #1 message, is continue the medication until you talk to the pharmacy or to your physician.
And again, the names on the bottle may be Hyzar or Avapro. If you have any concerns, call your pharmacist to find out if you have any recall pills. And if you do get a bottle of new medication, as you heard, you may also need to contact your doctor for a new prescription. Joanne Merrigan, WSAV News 3.